how to boost your curb appeal without breaking the bank, selling your house for top dollar. Okay, I'm going to say this real quick. Have you ever heard of the saying, first impressions last? What does curb appeal mean? Curb appeal is what the home looks like from the curbside, from the street, from the outside of the home. If someone were to pull up into your driveway, what would that outside of your home look like? Are they going to say, hey, this home is maintained really well, the landscaping is beautiful, the grass is cut? Or are they going to say, this home looks like it could do with some TLC? So let's get into it. Work on that overgrown yard. Let's be real with this one, people. You don't really need to hire a professional to do this. This is a simple one. Get your kids involved, get your family involved, and cut that grass, cut those overgrown bushes, cut that overgrown hedge. That, in fact, would add tons of value to the look and exterior of your home. Now, if you want to further enhance your front yard, your backyard, you could definitely go and hire a professional to get it done for you, to get a professional landscaping job done. Or if you don't have the time, then just look at hiring someone to come in and cut the grass a couple of times a month, depending on the season. Let's get talking about driveways. Now, you could go for something as expensive as a cement driveway that's more permanent and long lasting, or you could go in for something more cost effective like an asphalt driveway. You would need to definitely look into maintaining it well year in, year out. And about the driveways, a driveway does need maintenance, and if there are cracks and discoloration, then repairing those as soon as they appear is definitely recommended. Asphalt driveways should be resealed once every 2 to 3 years, while concrete driveways, though requiring less frequent maintenance, are more susceptible to stains and do require regular pressure washing and a fresh coat of sealant every year if possible. Number 3, get rid of all those really cluttered gutters. If you've got leaves that are clogging up all of those eaves troughs on your house, make sure that you're doing a seasonal clean, also for the water to just be able to flow through and avoid potential leaks and further damage to your home if you have clogged eaves troughs. Number 3, get some really cool outdoor lighting installed. Now that you've cut your grown grass and you've got a clean driveway, adding that outdoor lighting would provide a significant amount of value to your home. This is where you can hire a professional to do the job. Enhance your landscaping by adding accent lighting to your trees, to your home, or along a walking path. A really cool lighting option as well could be the lovely string lights that you could have and attach to your fence at the backyard or to your little deck area. That really adds some special charm to it for the summer months especially. Before we move on to number 4, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and to keep you updated on all helpful real estate tips coming your way. Number 4, a fresh coat of paint goes a really long way. If your home is looking a bit outdated, putting on a fresh coat of paint can help boost your curb appeal by a lot. Now, this is a bigger job and it's a bold move, so get a professional to do it if you are not confident about doing it yourself. There's tons of really good service providers out there that can come in and do the exterior painting of your home. This definitely would add a whole deal of value to your home, so look into getting that done if your home is looking in need of a paint job on the outside. So there you have it, the 4 tips to keep your curb appeal and your home exterior looking amazing. Follow us for more tips. This is Andrea from the Bailey Advantage Real Estate.